How to clear or delete the keyboard history. Let's start the video. First of all, scroll down the notification panel. Here on the top right corner, tap on the gear icon. Scroll down to additional settings, tap on it. Here tap on language and input. Tap on manage keyboards. Go to the settings. Here scroll down to privacy. Here you'll find the option of delete learned words and data. Tap on it. Here enter the code and tap on OK. After that, here keyboard words and data will be deleted. The next thing what you can do is go to help and feedback, and here you can manage or change the option as per the necessary, and you which will help you to fix your Gboard or the keyboard you are using. I hope this video will help you out to clear the keyboard history. Thank you for watching this video.